I'm going to be weighing my Lectric XP 3.0. Let's see how much it weighs. So me with my helmet on, I'm at about 175 pounds. Now let's reset it and pick up the bike. About 246, so we'll do the math here. And so that's the bike with a passenger kit installed. The battery's in place. I've added lightweight handguards. There's a front mounted light on it, so it's a little bit heavier than the stock bike. The stock Lectric XP 3.0 weighs 64 pounds. Mine weighs 71 pounds after adding the long-range battery, comfort seat, suspension seat post, handguards, and an added front light. Removing my seat and battery drops the weight down to 59 pounds, which makes it much easier to load into a vehicle. If you found this information useful, please consider subscribing to help support this channel.